Welcome to the new episode of activeCollab's Recaps. During October, we worked on incorporating the custom availability feature throughout the app and creating a better way to control time tracking. Keep watching to get all the details. activeCollab 8 Custom Availability. Our previous recap showed how setting a person's availability to 0 hours will mark them as unavailable on that day. Now, we've implemented that feature to @mentions and the date picker. When you try to mention a team member on a day their working hours are set to 0, you'll get a heads up that they're not available. The same will happen when choosing a due date for their assignments. Until now, this feature was applied to vacations and sick days. But in the upcoming version, it will also work for individually set working hours. Time tracking limits. We're introducing some new options that should lessen the possibility of making mistakes when tracking time. In the current activeCollab version, you can already limit the period of time to add or edit time records. This option should give the managers more control over logged time. For example, by limiting the ability to add time records to 5 days and editing them to 2 days, you'll ensure that the timesheet can't be changed after 1 week without the direct involvement of your management team. We've added internal hourly rates to the new version, so you'll be able to keep defining the hourly rate for each job type your company employs. In activeCollab 8, you'll also be able to choose the available job types for each individual. By default, everyone can track time with any job type. Now, you can set 1 or more job types that are available to each individual user. This way, no one will have to spend time correcting wrongly logged records. Coming up. In November, we'll be working on security enhancements for your user accounts. Also, teams will be working on time listings in activeCollab 8. Stay tuned for more updates. See you in the next recap.